Have you ever imagined a world where humans and machines merge seamlessly? A world where the boundaries between biological and artificial intelligence blur to create a symbiotic relationship? This is not a plot from a science fiction movie, but the ambitious vision of a project known as Neuralink. Neuralink, a brain-computer interface technology, is the brainchild of one of the most innovative and transformative figures of our time, Elon Musk. Known for his groundbreaking ventures in electric vehicles and space travel, Musk has now turned his attention to the human brain, aiming to revolutionize our understanding and capabilities of this complex organ. At the heart of Neuralink's mission is the goal to help us keep pace with artificial intelligence. In a world where AI is advancing at an exponential rate, Musk envisions a future where we don't just use technology, we become one with it. The convergence of man and machine, Musk believes, is not only inevitable but essential for our survival and progress. Neuralink's technology involves the implantation of tiny threads into the brain, capable of transmitting data and potentially even controlling machines. Imagine being able to download skills, communicate telepathically, or even restore sight, hearing, or movement to those who've lost it. The potential applications are as vast as they are thrilling, but this is no small feat. The brain is the most intricate and delicate organ in our bodies, and we're only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding how it works. The challenges are immense, but so are the potential rewards. Neuralink represents a new era, a dawn of a time when our relationship with technology could change fundamentally. It could redefine what it means to be human, extending our abilities beyond our biological limits. It could open up new realms of experience and cognition, reshaping our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. This revolutionary concept, if achieved, could change the world as we know it. It's a bold vision, a daring dream, and the journey has only just begun. The dawn of a new era awaits us, and with it, an exciting if somewhat daunting future. The journey of Neuralink is as fascinating as its concept. This journey started back in the year 2017, when the world first heard of this revolutionary project. Elon Musk, the man who envisions a future where humans and artificial intelligence can coexist, announced his ambitious plan to merge the human brain with AI. It was an idea that was as astounding as it was unbelievable, but Musk, known for his relentless pursuit of the extraordinary, was determined to make it a reality. In the following 2 years, Musk and his team worked tirelessly behind the scenes. They were driven by a singular goal: to develop a device that could bridge the gap between the human brain and machines. Their efforts finally bore fruit in 2019 when they unveiled a sewing machine-like device. This device, they revealed, could implant thin threads, no thicker than a human hair, into the brain. These threads would then connect the brain to a computer, allowing for direct communication between the two. The world watched in awe as Musk and his team continued to push the boundaries of science and technology. The sewing machine-like device was a milestone, but they didn't stop there. In 2020, they made headlines once again when they demonstrated the capabilities of their device with a pig named Gertrude. The pig had a Neuralink chip implanted in her brain, and with it, the team was able to predict Gertrude's movements based on the signals her brain sent to the chip. It was a groundbreaking demonstration that showed the world the potential of Neuralink. Neuralink's journey has not been without its challenges. From technical hurdles to ethical concerns, the project has faced numerous obstacles, but Musk and his team have remained undeterred. Their unwavering commitment to their vision is a testament to their belief in the transformative power of technology. Despite the challenges, Neuralink continues to push the boundaries of science and technology. The journey is far from over, and we can only imagine what other incredible milestones they will achieve in the years to come. Neuralink aims to achieve objectives that were once only a part of science fiction. This may sound like a line straight out of a futuristic novel, but it's actually the ambitious goal of Elon Musk's groundbreaking venture, Neuralink. The company's objectives are as audacious as they are inspiring. At the heart of Neuralink's mission is the desire to understand and interact with the human brain in ways we never have before. This includes the potential to treat and possibly even cure a host of brain disorders. Imagine a world where conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy are no longer life-altering diagnoses, but instead challenges that can be managed or even overcome. This is what Neuralink hopes to accomplish, but treating brain disorders is just the tip of the iceberg. Neuralink also aspires to restore sensory and motor function in individuals who have lost these capabilities. This could mean giving sight to the blind, allowing the deaf to hear, or helping those with spinal cord injuries to walk again. It's not just about improving lives, it's about transforming them. But Neuralink's vision doesn't stop there. Beyond medical applications, the company is working towards achieving symbiosis with artificial intelligence. This might sound like a lofty goal, but consider this. We're already a kind of cyborg, aren't we? We use our smartphones and computers as extensions of ourselves, storing memories, learning new skills, and communicating with others. Neuralink's goal is to take this relationship to the next level, creating a direct interface between the human brain and machines. This might enable us to keep pace with rapidly advancing artificial intelligence, enhancing our own cognitive abilities, and perhaps even unlocking capabilities the human brain has yet to reveal. So we're not just talking about curing diseases or restoring lost abilities here. We're talking about potentially ushering in a new era of human evolution. These objectives are ambitious, but with Neuralink they might just be within our reach. So as we move into this brave new world, it's safe to say that the future of human potential is more exciting than ever before. So why do we say that Neuralink is a game changer? Well, let's delve into it. The potential impact of Neuralink spans across healthcare, technology, and even human evolution. Imagine a world where neurological disorders are not a life sentence, but a problem to be solved. Neuralink could be the key to unlock this reality. Take Parkinson's disease, for instance, a disorder that affects millions globally. It causes tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. Current treatments can manage symptoms, but they don't stop disease progression. Neuralink, however, could potentially revolutionize this scenario. By interfacing directly with the brain, it could not only manage symptoms more effectively, but also slow or even halt disease progression. But Neuralink's potential isn't limited to healthcare. It's set to make waves in the realm of technology as well. The interface could redefine how we interact with our devices, making keyboards and touchscreens seem archaic. Imagine controlling your smartphone or computer through thought alone. It's a fascinating prospect, isn't it? And then there's human evolution. Neuralink could pave the way for human enhancement, pushing the boundaries of what we currently perceive as human capabilities. Enhanced memory, faster learning, heightened senses. The possibilities are endless. Indeed, Neuralink is not just a game changer, it's a life changer. Neuralink is still in its early stages, but the possibilities it offers are endless. We've journeyed through its inception, traced its development, and explored its objectives. We've also discussed why Neuralink is a game changer, paving the path for a new era where humans and AI may coexist more seamlessly. As we venture into this brave new world, let's remember to keep our minds open and our curiosity burning. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI. This is your host, signing off.